Hi guys, I'm Jack. I'm a barber from Cork. I've been cutting hair for the last 8 years and today I'm going to be taking you through how I style my hair. I've been getting a lot of questions about my hair and how I style it, and I feel now it's no better time coming into the summer, the rise in the popularity of the flow, and just for some information. So I'm just after washing my hair with some of the Poseidon shampoo and some of the conditioner, and this is argan oil based, which allows to maintain some of the oil through the hair and give the hair a nice clean finish. So first of all, I've just after finishing towel drying my hair, and now I'm going to apply a bit of argan oil. And what argan oil does is it keeps some of that oil in your hair after washing, as your hair can feel quite limp and dull, and it just softens your hair and allows to put some of that oil back through your hair for a healthier, cleaner look, and also to allow it to move a bit easier. So now I'm going to rub some of the argan oil throughout my hair like so, and I just like to use this before I style my hair. So for styling wise, what I'm going to be using is some of the cream. I love this cream. I've been looking for hair products all my life as I have such thick, dense hair and I nearly need cement to be able to hold it back. It has lovely berry scent and it has great hold, but it also looks like there's nothing in your hair for that flawless flow look that I'll be showing you today. So what I like to do is I like to apply just about a bit more than a euro size worth, a large scoop. And I like to rub it through my hands, and I like to put it through before I blow dry, and once I have it set I like to put a little bit more, as I'll show you later on in the video. I like to rub it root to tip to get right in there, as if you just put it in the ends it will virtually do nothing. I have quite long-ish hair, so it's important to use a decent bit and to get it right. And what I'll be using for blow drying is a vent brush, and vent brushes are brilliant and they are crucial for styling your hair. So first of all, if you're going out and you don't have a lot of time, or you're traveling and you don't have options for a blow dryer, you can just use the cream and the brush. But to be able to get that control, and also if you do have finer hair, you can use this for volume to be able to flick and to be able to get the hair to go in where you want. Like so, if you just wanted to keep it simple, you can do this, but I will be blow drying my hair, in which I'll take you through how you blow dry and the finished result. So I'm going to use my blow dryer. This is a Dyson and I put it on medium heat, high speed, which allows to still keep the hair in good condition and also quicker drying. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it to about half dry, and then I'm going to go in with the vent brush, just to allow for it to be speedier. Now that I have it about 50 to 60% dry, I'm going to go in with the vent brush as I mentioned earlier, and I'm just going to bring it back and I'm just going to follow the shape of my head to allow that flow to come through and to also get the hold. So guys, now that I have it about 90% dry, just for that final finish, I like to just put the smallest bit more cream and I'm just going to rub through the ends just to hold. Now that the blow dry is set, as you can see, and I'm just going to finish with the brush. This brush is simply fantastic. Look at this. I've had Denmans over the years and this is just superior. The quality on this brush is just insane. As from the design of this, it's a nice thick sturdy brush. Bristles are very strong, which just allows to move the hair quite nicely. As I said in the blow drying, it allows you to support, to move your hair in what direction you want to go, to add volume whether you want through the front, particularly finer if you want to be able to get that lift, and just to be able to allow it to go in the direction your hair wants to go to. I think every man needs a brush like this, paired with a good product, of course, with Poseidon. My favourite choice being the cream, but you also have great options such as the pomade and clay, which I'll break down in another video next time. So just to give you a 360 on my hair, as you can see, it's flowing quite nicely. I have a bit of a kink in the end. It's your perfect, clean but controlled man's flow, kind of your Bradley Cooper-esque. I hope you guys enjoy the video and make sure to like, and I'll catch you next time.